Hello. Welcome to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, please subscribe. This is another video presentation featuring a question on corporation law asked in the 2019 bar exams. The question was, in June 2018, DEF Corporation sent notices to its stockholders informing them of the corporation's issuance of new shares of stock. The notice included a reminder that, pursuant to DEF Corporation's Articles of Incorporation, any stockholder who fails to exercise his or her preemptive right within 3 weeks from receipt of notice would be considered to have waived the same. Ms. Z, a stockholder of DEF Corporation, failed to exercise her preemptive right within the said period. However, she claimed that she did not validly waive her right to do so because a waiver must be expressed in writing. A. Explain the concept of preemptive right under the Corporation Code. B. Is Ms. Z's contention correct? Explain. There were 2 questions. The first we will answer in our discussion, and then we will give our suggested answer to the other question. Since what is asked in the second question is about the correctness or incorrectness of the argument of Z, a stockholder, claiming that she did not waive her right, it is important to establish first the right claimed, the basis of the right, and the rules on how to waive that right. The right claimed is called preemptive right. Preemptive right refers to the right of a stockholder of a stock corporation to subscribe to all issues or disposition of shares of any class, in proportion to their respective shareholdings. The basis of this right is Section 38 of the Revised Corporation Code. The right exists even without the grant of such right in the Articles of Incorporation. But, in order to restrict or deny this right, such restriction or denial must be provided in the Articles of Incorporation. If there is no such provision in the Articles, the corporation may amend such articles in the manner provided under the Revised Corporation Code. The law requires that the stockholder must be given a reasonable time within which to exercise their preemptive right. Upon the expiration of said period, any stockholder who has not exercised such right will be deemed to have waived it. Notice that the wording of the law does require that waiver is done in writing. What is required is that the stockholders must be given a reasonable time within which to exercise their preemptive rights. Upon the expiration of said period, any stockholder who has not exercised such right will be deemed to have waived it. Thus, the contention that the waiver must be expressed in writing does not have any legal basis. It was not shown in the facts that the Articles of Incorporation nor the bylaws of the corporation provides that only express waiver is recognized. Waiver of preemptive right therefore may be implied. But the examinee must also take note of an important detail in the question. Since the law requires that stockholders should be given reasonable time, the examinee must take cognizance of the period giver, that is 3 weeks, to exercise the right. The answer will not be complete without a discussion on this point. The suggested answer to the question is no. The contention of Ms. Z is incorrect since there is no requirement that the waiver of preemptive right must be in writing. Since it is clear from the facts that the restriction on preemptive right is in the Articles of Incorporation, the requirement that is left to be complied with is that the stockholders must be given a reasonable time to exercise the right. It is respectfully submitted that the 3 weeks from receipt of notice would pass as reasonable time. We hope you learned something useful in this video. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook page ECS Notes. You may also comment and share this video to your friends. Have a pleasant day.